Get access to dozens of profitable strategies just like this one here for $19. Just click this link right here. Now let's get on with the video. Today, we will be testing a pullback strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years, I've been testing thousands of indicators and strategies, and I'm testing more every single day here on the channel. I've taken the information from my testing and compiled that into spreadsheets. And if you are interested in getting access to the original 1,100 plus tested indicators that took me over 3 years of testing to put together, you can get access absolutely free. Just join our free tier on our Patreon page. You can find the link down below in the description. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a pullback strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 618 different strategies, with 174 of them being winners. And since we've been using the Nexus backtest indicator, we have tested the most recent 30 strategies, and out of those 30 strategies, we've made every single strategy either more profitable than the original strategy or profitable when the original strategy wasn't. And out of those 30, we have a combined weekly profit of $29,300. The best weekly profit so far was $4,100. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a pullback strategy. And so the source video says, "Stop losing money, your financial survival check." Interesting title. Not really sure what they mean by your financial survival check. Maybe I'm just not quite understanding. Maybe someone else out there, one of you, can understand it a little bit better. Nonetheless, as far as stop losing money, I guess that really depends. And of course, depends on the strategy. And we will put it to the test and see what we can get out of it. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the EMA pullback. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And then we'll go ahead and jump into the settings. And what you're going to want to do is just make sure the first pullback right here is selected. We're going to change the length to 45 here and the second length to 14. Then go ahead and click OK. The second indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the MACD 4C. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Now what I did was I modified this MACD 4C indicator so that way it works well with the Nexus backtest indicator. And we'll go ahead and jump into the settings because the settings are pretty much exactly the same. Still just added in basically just a couple plots here to tie into Nexus. And so what you're going to want to do is just under the fast moving average, change that to 100. The slow, change that to 300. Everything else stays on the default settings. Go ahead and click OK. And so what you're looking for a short trade setup is we are looking for when we get a pullback like this here, a red pullback from the pullback EMA indicator. We're then going to look down to the MACD 4C and we want it to have a red histogram bar or basically be below 0. In this particular case, it's more of a purple than a red, but it is below the 0. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. And so we'll set our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right up here up above the little pivot created by the entry there. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you see pretty much an immediate strong push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers on this. What we'll do is just exit out of the bar replay like so. Let's go ahead and turn on the Nexus backtest indicator here, and we'll go ahead and go over the numbers. So we have a 36% win rate. We have 119 trades, the standard about 20,000 bars back, and on the 5-minute time frame, it's typically around 3 months. And so that puts our total profit and loss at a negative $2,445 and the weekly profit at negative $178. And so, again, as far as stop losing money, according to the source video, definitely not going to get it using this strategy this way. Now, of course, as we do, we use the Nexus backtest indicator to play around with some of the settings, tweak a few things, and we came up with this here. All right, so now we have a 32% win rate and 128 trades, 20,000 bars back, 3 months just like before. But now we have a total profit and loss at a gain of $8,672. That puts your total profit per week at $635. So obviously, significantly better results considering how we were far in the negative, or a good ways into the negative, I guess. And now we are a good ways into the positive. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, if you are interested in the original spreadsheet of the 1,100 plus indicators that I tested, it took me over 3 years of testing to put together that spreadsheet. You can get a free copy when you sign up for our free Patreon down below in the description. Now, keep in mind that that is not a very comprehensive spreadsheet of testing. It's kind of a stepping stone into more thorough testing, which we are doing now here with this. And so if you're interested in actual profitable strategies and strategies that have been tested over hundreds of different trades, then you'll want to sign up for the $19 Patreon. That is basically the only other option, but it gives you a whole plethora of different options that you can explore when you become a patron of the channel. For example, I provide a spreadsheet of all the 600 tested strategies that we have been testing for quite a few years now, and compiling all that information. And that's over a reasonable number of trades, not including the ones that we have been using the Nexus backtest indicator on, which definitely jumped the number of trades that we tested these strategies across. But even those original ones before Nexus, when I was manually backtesting, has at least 50 trades per test and shows what the win rate was, whether or not it was a profitable strategy or a losing strategy, and a link back to my source video, so that way you can go back and review that strategy and use it if you wish. Now, if you are interested in the Nexus backtest indicator, you can get access to it free at this moment. And when you become a patron of the channel, you will get access to all the dozens of indicators I've created to create strategies just like this one here. And the spreadsheet that I mentioned before also contains all that information about the 30, I think it's 30 now, maybe this is 31 strategies that we've tested with the Nexus backtest indicator. And so those indicators that you get access to will tie in to these profitable strategies that I've created and modified using the Nexus backtest indicator. And also you will get in that same spreadsheet a link to layouts. And so basically what that does is when you click that link, it brings up this exact layout with all these indicators, as long as you have access to these indicators on screen, exactly how I have it now with the settings and the profitability as you see. And you can use that as you wish. You can start forward testing it. You can start paper trading it. You can start live trading it. I suggest testing it some, or you can play around with the settings, see if you can get better results, or you can just use Nexus to build your own strategy if that's something you are interested in. And as a patron of the channel, I will guide you on how to use Nexus in the same way that I use it to develop and modify these strategies to profitability on a regular basis. And so again, you just get an enormous amount of value out of becoming a patron of the channel, a paid patron of the channel, for only $19. So the link down below in the description. Hopefully you can see the value, and hopefully I can help you take your trading to the next step. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We will go ahead and put this one on the no list because the original strategy was not profitable. And then we will add this modified version to the spreadsheet as I mentioned before. And we will move on to the next indicator or next video from here.